Do you think it's weird for this? Yeah, Deuces Loves being vacuum, by the way. Now, I want to show you the difference. I love this vacuum. It's a Shark vacuum. I'm not sponsored or anything. But look at that floor. Now, I'm going to show you the unvacuumed portion. Big difference. It is crazy. That's all you, bro. Don't be sad. I'm not putting you on blast. Yes, I am. But you shed a lot, bro. I'm glad you like being vacuumed. And I will show you in the same video. You will see the after of the whole thing. And I will show you the first load that's coming out of it here in a minute. Look at this. That's a lot. Alright, so I just got done with this one section. And that's what's in there. I have to vacuum twice per section. Deuces is back in his favorite spot, not knowing that I still need to vacuum over there again. But here is the empty container. Alright everyone, this is the final pass load. It's a good sized canister. Here is the carpet afterwards. See the big difference? Again, I'm not sponsored by Shark. I love this vacuum. Just wanted to show everybody. And thank you all very much for watching the video. Have a great day.